Hey everybody, welcome back. This is going to be a short video that I did not plan on making, where I'm going to show you my potato harvest, because I have a couple of raccoons that like to dig things up, and they just dug up some potatoes, so I'm sure I know I lost a few. I put them in the compost pile. They probably ate some, so I'm going to start digging up the rest so that they don't get all of them. So here are my bags of potatoes. I've got the 3 bags here. I do have some that are around the side. I doubt that they know about those. I've already started to dig up some of those as well. But let's see what's in these bags, because this is what they started digging. All right, let's see what we got. Okay, so we've got some gold potatoes in this bag. Okay, looks like we've also got the purple potatoes in this bag. Wow, these turned out dark. That's crazy. I don't know if you can fully see. Like, normally I think purple potatoes, when you get them in the store, they're pretty purple. And these are definitely still purple. They're just really dark. That's crazy. So if any of you have any tips for getting rid of raccoons, leave them in the comments. Oh. What was that? Why was that juicy? Okay, I got something juicy down there that was nasty, so let's use a stick to get that out. I think it's just maybe a potato that turned funky, or what is that? Gross. Yeah, I think it's just like a decomposing potato. All right, and on this week's episode of That Was Nasty. Okay, so we had like all 3 in here. There's red potatoes too. I'm just not gonna dig over where it was nasty. That must have been a potato that went in and just didn't do anything. Yeah, see. Okay. Oh, where to go? So it's the original potato that went in, because here's another one, and it's just turned like kind of liquidy and slimy. Let me show you guys. If I have to endure this, you do too. So you can see that there, that's it. It's like really, really wet. But gross. Yeah, see, so it's like fully breaking down, which is great, but not realizing that that was in here, and then it just kind of like popped. Got all over my glove. Ew. It's gross. It's so gross. I thought this was going to be a sweet little video. Yep, see, here's 2 more that they dug up and partially ate. I think that's the most irritating part, is when they dig stuff up, they don't finish eating it. Okay, and let's get started on this one. Okay, and I think this one looks pretty much the same, where it's not ready. Yeah, that guy's getting close. I can't tell. I think this was a plant, so maybe right here. Oh, is that another juicy one? Please, not with the juicy ones. I think that's actually attached to one of the plants that's still going. Okay, so yeah, this bag is not ready yet. But okay, that is the first, well, I guess technically second harvest of potatoes that I've gotten this year. Yeah, that's pretty good. I feel good about that. I'm not like growing a ton of potatoes in a lot of soil, and I meant to top these off throughout the year and add more soil so that they would just kind of continue to produce potatoes farther up in the bag. That did not happen, so honestly, I will be happy with what I get. That was it, short and sweet. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe. You may never see my content again. I do a lot of garden stuff during the summer, and especially in the colder seasons, I do a lot of house work things. I have a 100-year-old house that needs a lot of repair, and I have started the process, but there is still so much to do. So if you like it, give us a subscribe, stick around a little bit, and I'm going to continue to live in the shame and shadow of my neighbor's corn, which has so far outgrown mine. Okay, bye. Just for reference. And I think I know what I did wrong.